guys how I do a quick install on this Braid's Queen wig. So if you want to see it, yeah, stay tuned. So this is how it looks when it first came out of the packaging. Just wanted to give you guys a close-up look. Now what I'm doing right here is brushing back the baby hairs and clipping them out of the way so I can cut the lace. I don't want to cut my baby hairs, so want to make sure they're all out of the way first. Now I do like cutting my lace on the wig head. I don't like cutting it when it's on my head. It just works better that way for me. So you guys can see how I'm cutting the lace. I'm trying not to cut it in a straight line. I'm kind of doing it jaggedy. I don't like a perfect line, and I like to cut my lace, make 2 slits and then cut it into 3 pieces. It's easier that way for me. It's just easier to cut that way. So now I'm cutting the last piece of lace off. Now it's all off of there. Showing you guys the inside of the wig. There's 3 combs as well as adjustable strap and an elastic band. Just gonna whip that on really quick. And now this is a glueless wig. I was gonna do it glueless, but since it has the bun in the top, I didn't want it to slide back, so I did spray it with my Got To Be blasting freeze spray. And I'm just gonna melt that down into my scalp with the handle side of my toothbrush. You can do it with a comb or whatever you want to do. Pull that other side up, spray that a little more with my Got To Be blasting freeze spray. I'm sure you can use any holding spray. This Got To Be spray is about $3 at Walmart, making sure it's all pushed down when the spray is tacky. Now I'm going to go ahead and tie it up with my silk scarf to let that melt in my head and let it dry up and adhere before I mess with my baby hair. So I'm going to leave that on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm going to take it off. I'm just molding my baby hairs with some mousse that I got from the dollar store. No fancy expensive hair products over here. And I had to mess with that baby hair a few different times to get it how I want it to go. I would recommend cutting it a little bit. That's why I have the pieces at the top, because I didn't cut it. But it's all good. Tie it down again with my scarf to make sure it's dry and it's on there, because I did not use a blow dry for this install. Wanted to show you guys real quick on how to install this Braid's Queen wig. I am loving it. It's a 13 by 5 lace parting area. Excuse my nail. All nail shops are closed down. I am in California. We are on lockdown due to this COVID-19 mess. It is 30 inches. She is 30 inches, so she comes down to, I'm trying to get on my tippy toes to show you guys the length, but yes, she is 30 inches. I'm 4'11", so it's really long on me, but I'm loving the look. I can't wait to put up this wig and wear it to summer. And the color is ombre. It is a 1B/30, so it is giving me the little highlight vibes. I am in love with it. I love that it has the bun at the top. You can wear it in a ponytail, but I decided to do the bun. Now the baby hair, I really couldn't figure it out. I had to cut it a little bit just to make it blend in, because I didn't want it stuck up on the braids, even though some of it is. I just molded it down with my mousse from the Dollar Tree, which was 99¢. You can grab mousse from anywhere. It is 100% hand braided, percent high quality. I think you call it kakalon or kinkula. I don't know how to say it. And it has ultra soft lace, so you don't have to worry about it rubbing out your edges. But I am loving it. Show you guys a close-up on the braids. I am loving the braids. I am loving the color. I am upstairs in my room this time, so I have the natural lighting going, so hopefully you guys can see it. I'm in love with it. Gonna take some pictures and maybe I'll post them on Instagram. But anyway, I'm gonna take some pictures and maybe I'll insert it in this video. Make sure you guys check out Braid's Queen. If you're not following me on Instagram, Tatedri619. If you're not a subby, what are you waiting for? Sub. And until next time.